Hi everyone, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory Fine Lines, and I'm here at the CU Wildlife Center for the Close the Kids of Denver 5th annual Blue Jeans Bash. I got my blue jeans on, and I'm dressed down, and I'm ready for this gala. There's over 400 people here. And what we're going to do is we're going to live auction an in-home cooking class and dinner party sponsored by Appliance Factory Fine Lines. The lucky winner will have an in-home cooking class for up to 10 people, and you know I'm going to bring all the food, all the equipment, the recipes, the aprons, and I'm going to bring the fun. So stay tuned in, because I'm going to jump up on stage, and I'm going to help the auctioneer live auction this bad boy off.
Folks, this is celebrity chef Mark Kalix.
All right, so guys, you're gonna learn how to chop and dice and mix and roast and do some baking and pastry.
Let's start this off at $1,000, so it can be one right there, and 15. 15 to back, 15, and 2. 3,500 right there, now 4. Now 4. Now we're starting to heat up right here. We got 35 on the back. What about this? They're sold for $4,000. Been over 320 club. Thank you, sir. And Chef Mark, thank you.
Oh my gosh, it's been an incredible night. We raised a ton of money for Close the Kids of Denver, and I'm really proud that Appliance Factory sponsors these events and galas. We're really proud to support organizations that support the community, and we know that happened tonight. Good night, everyone.